Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax Sarasota. Guys, we're standing on board a 2015 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage trade-in. If you want quality and you're serious about fishing, this is one of the best bangs for the buck in the entire market. Guys, at the rear, a beautiful set of Mercury 300 horsepower, twin 300, top power for the year. Rod holders, you've got your pump out and your water fill here on the back. This boat's got an awesome seat that folds away, gives you bolsters for your legs, fish boxes in the deck, huge live well, one of the best rigging stations you can get. At the dash, you've got twin Raymarine hybrid touch. Those are some of my favorite screens all time. Engine monitor, trim tabs, additional Raymarine autopilot, your ICOM, VHF, guys, everything. Glass windshield, vent, there are outriggers over your head, and I got to point out something. It's tough to keep these boats perfectly clean all the time, guys, but these cushions, they're in fantastic shape, and this boat really has a family-friendly layout on the front. There's tons and tons of space to just chill. Windlass, so much more. If you want to see the rest of it, give me a shout. This is MarineMax Sarasota, Florida. I'm Jeremiah Long, and this is our 2015 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage trade. See you soon.